we got one more. DJ Alien. You want to pick who's next? Everybody take a big step back. They're each going to get 30 seconds on the dance floor to show you their moves. And you guys are going to be the judge. So the louder you clap, the better chance they have at winning. But they're going to need a very large dance floor. So let's back it up here a little bit. Hey guys, you right there in the front row, step way back for me, please. Keep stepping back. Way. Keep stepping back for me. There you go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for this? So you're going to go first. Step into the middle of the dance floor. Here we go. Can back it up. Simon says, step back. Simon says, step back. Go ahead and pick the next round. It's what you say. Let's see, we got 3 more. Who wants to be part of this competition? Put your hands up. I want to see you moves. Let's see what you got. I'll take you. Competition. Oh, we got one more. Who's going to be the last lucky contestant? But we'll take you back there. Come this way. Okay, guys, we're going to need you to create a little dance floor here. So I'm going to need everybody to take a big. Simon says step back. Simon says keep going back. Okay, contestants, you're each going to get 30 seconds on the dance floor to show your stuff. Are you ready? Yo, DJ, spin it. Okay, let me try to do this again. You're going to get 30 seconds in the middle of the dance floor by yourself. So number 1, that's you. Make it ready. up. So make your way to the center.